this is the Whale Island Native Oyster Restoration Project. We bid for some funds from the Defence Infrastructure Organisation to purchase some juvenile oysters as part of the Conservation Stewardship Fund, and we're growing them into adults to then be able to release them into the Solent as part of Blue Marine Foundation's Native Oyster Restoration Project. We've got around 2,000 here. When we started the project, we didn't know how many might survive, how many we could keep sort of logistically in this area. We wanted to keep the footprint of the project quite small. If we leave the cages in the water for too long, especially in the spring and summer, they start to get fouled with sea squirts, all sorts of things start to colonise the cages themselves, which is great. It means it's a productive environment, but it inhibits the water flow through, and the oysters need a good water flow to survive. The way that they feed is by filtering a lot of all the water through themselves, through their gills, and then they capture and feed on the stuff that's in the water, so plankton, etc. But they also therefore clean the water. So part of this initiative is to enhance the biodiversity, restore a native species, and also clean the waters around the Solent. This year, to see them growing so quickly and so soon, it's really rewarding. And now you can see like centimetres worth of growth sort of frilling around the outside. It's just really rewarding because I'd love to put as many of them in the water, release as many of them as I can. I would love to continue to do this project, and we've almost got a bit of some standard operating procedures now as well for how we might set it up, and then we can hand it over to, for example, other Navy bases or other infrastructure, because all you really need is a pontoon to then hang the cages over the side of. I'm really hoping that it helps to restore the Solent, because the Solent has had problems with like sewage runoff, with its water quality. So for us to be able to enhance the biodiversity and then also clean the waters just feels really good. It feels like you're giving back to nature a bit.